Welcome back, everybody, to Kardashian Week, the most exciting week of this month so far. Today we're going to be doing a Kim Kardashian West inspired tutorial, and the look that I am going for is a picture that her makeup artist Mario did, and it's very like shimmery, smoky through her eye, but everything else is just very minimal and nude. I've already put on my base. I haven't contoured, done blush, done bronzer, done concealer, none of that. Just strictly foundation and a little bit of primer. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Mocha Java just through my contour area. And this is just to kind of really define my face so I can try and get a little bit more of that Kim contour, which my little round face does not have. I'm kind of carrying him down in the contour. May look a little funny from the side, but it's okay. So I went in and did the other side real fast, and now we're gonna move on to a little bit of bronzer. So to bronze, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of SeneGence Deep Concealer. So now that we have our bronzing done, the next thing we're gonna do is highlight. To highlight, I'm gonna use a little bit of white concealer and a little bit of Sandstone Pearl mixed together. So I'm just gonna pop this on anywhere that I would want, or Kim would want rather. Anywhere Kim, would highlight. And I'm really making sure to pull this all up. To blend out my highlight, I'm gonna use a Morphe E8 brush, and I'm really just gonna pounce this more than rub it. If you're gonna rub, do a little bit of circular motions just to really make sure that you're not wiping product back and forth versus just patting and placing it. Last place I'm gonna highlight is right through here. So while we're letting our face set, let's move on to brows. To really make the brows pop, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Brow Sense in dark. All right, let's move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Garnet, just in the outer corner. Not taking it high, not taking it too low, just leaving it right there in the outer corner, and I'm just gonna pat. I can carry it in a little bit, but really I want that focus right here in this outer corner. Before this sets too much, I'm gonna take a clean brush and just sweep along the top of my look. That way I don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Mocha Java shimmer and place that over the top of this brown. And carry it into the middle of the eye. And pat it with my finger. Now I'm gonna go in with some Sandstone Pearl Shimmer and just kind of place that on the lid in the inner corner to the center. I'm also gonna take a clean finger and just pat on. So we're gonna do a little bit of mixing with our Mocha Java and our Garnet. And I'm just gonna take that and smudge it really close to the lash line. Now I'm gonna take my finger and just kind of blend that. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bottom mascara. So for today, we're gonna do a pre-mix color of Nude and First Love. So on the lips, I went through and added a little bit of nude. I thought it was pretty and yeah. So I will be right back and I'll show you the final look. Okay, welcome back. So this is the final look. As you can tell, I'm so channeling blonde Kim right now. It's like living for this blonde wig. I cannot even describe to y'all. I ended up going back and looking at my inspo pictures and Kim's lips were a lot lighter than mine. So I added another layer of First Love and it is perfect. So this is the final look. I hope y'all love it and I will see y'all tomorrow with Chloe's look. All right, bye guys.